It is the 11th of May. The high school graduation is tomorrow. Tomorrow being the 12th of May, of course. And this is what we awoke to this morning. 25 centimeters of snow they're calling for. All schools are closed today because of road conditions. And our plow contract to do our driveway has expired, as one would expect, at the end of April, and there is about a 4-foot windrow in my driveway. Willow is out here somewheres, and here she comes. Come on, puppy. Oh, this is gross. Really, truly, you gotta have thick skin to live in Labrador, but I don't know, what else is there? Last weekend or a couple weekends ago, it's the same thing. My greenhouse door is blown open, and obviously there are no plants in there yet. Happy spring to everybody else in Canada.